Yeah.
जन्मदिनमिदम् ऐ प्रियसखे जन्मदिनमिदम् ऐ प्रियसखे शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदम् शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदम् प्रार्थयामहे भवशतायुषी प्रार्थयामहे भवशतायुषी ईश्वर सदा त्वां च रक्षतु ईश्वर सदा त्वां च रक्षतु कीर्तिमर्जय पुण्यकर्मणा कीर्तिमर्जय जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकं जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकं भवतु सार्थकं भवतु सार्थकम्।
Content. And 2014, I think this was published first time by Swami Tejo Mayanandaji. There is a small book called Adarsh Jivan, Ideal Life. So where he has composed the Sanskrit songs for every occasion, like wishes. Like you have wedding anniversary wishes, Griha Pravesh, and all these things. So I, with their permission, so the entire CD is also available. So they have given tune and then someone has sung it very beautifully. So that I put into the Divyavani Sanskrit radio also. Time to time I repeat the whole thing, the entire content of the CD. And it's a very appealing song, Janma Dinamidam. Like it's a very special day for anyone who is celebrating the birthday. It's on that day that one gets a deeper connection with oneself, with the divinity. So what is to be, how it has to be performed is in our tradition. We go to temples or we take the blessings of the parents or elderly people. So most importantly, if one spends time silently, be with oneself, so the receptivity level is more intense on the birthdays. So one has a deeper connection with oneself. So more quietude is needed. And Sanskrit being a silence conscious language, it helps immensely if the birthday songs are sung in Sanskrit. And this particular song, Janma Dinam Idam, this birthday, Janma Dinam Idam, I Priya Sakhe, and then you are wishing it to. So anyone, my own child can be my own Sakha, my own wife can be my own Sakha, my father can be my own Sakha. So anyone can be Sakha. Sakha means, Sakha. I can interpret it in this way that those who feel the same space within Sakha. Okay, so that's why Sakha means an intimate friend. So with whom you have the intimacy. So I Priya Sakhe, my dear friend, this Janmadinam, Shantanotu te sarvada mudam. So Sham is the word which means happiness, which means calmness, which means auspiciousness. It is the same sound from which you get the word Shanti. Okay, Sham. It is the same word from which you get Shankara. Okay, Sham Karoti. That means he does the good to the world. So he is Shankara. So Sham Tanutu. Tanutu means let it spread. Let that auspiciousness, that purity, that peace, that calmness, that divinity, that intense, quiet feeling, make spread. So what happens is like that Sham is there in some part of our being. So when we become more and more aware of it, we identify that charm within us. Then quietly, meditatively, if we can push it into every part of our being, so that's how we feel the peace everywhere in every part of our being. So that's where the prayer is Sam Tanotu Te Sarvada Mudam. And let there be happiness, Mudam, from which you get the word Modakam also, which gives you happiness, joy. And then the next line is Prarthayamahe Bhavashata. You see, Prarthayamahe is like we pray because it's a birthday wish by many to the birthday boy or girl or birthday child rather. So prarthayamahe bhava shatayushi. So jivemah sharada shatam is an ancient prayer of the Vedic rishis. Like we must experience the life force, the spirit, the dynamic spirit within ourselves, and aspire for living a complete life of 100 years. So that's why in our tradition we say Satayushi Bhava. So live for 100 years. 100 refers to that completeness. So you must live a purposeful life, not just living for 100 years doing nothing. So life has to have a purpose. So live a purposeful life of 100 years. Bhava Satayushi. Then प्रार्थयामहे भव शतायुषि मां च रक्षतु. And so may the Ishvara protect you. In fact, whenever we want to wish someone, so that may the divine presence be with you and protect you, because that's the only protection, the divine presence. So we aspire for that and we pray for that. So that's why Ishvara sada tvam cha rakshatu punya karmana kirti marjaya. So this is where the purposeful life is coming. So all your deeds must be punya, must be auspicious, must lead you towards your inner spiritual growth. Punya karmana kirti marjaya. And that brings glories, that brings fame to oneself, that brings glories to the self. The self, the Atman has to be glorified. Not the glory of like how many followers I have on my Twitter or how many views I have on my thing, but the true self, the glories of the self, how the self is shining out. So punya karmana kirti marjaya jivanam tava bhavatu sarthakam. So may your life meet that full life. So live a purposeful life of complete life of 100 years. This is what is our prayer on this day. So that's what is the intent of the words.